Have you ever wondered why the most enduring edifices stand tall through the storms of time? It's because they have a strong foundation. Similarly, the foundation of our happiness and success is deeply rooted in self-love. Today, we delve into the profound importance of self-love and the strategies for rebuilding oneself. Imagine a house built on a shaky foundation. The walls may look sturdy, but the smallest tremor can cause it to crumble. In the same way, if our self-esteem is built on external validation, it's bound to collapse when life shakes us up. That's where self-love comes in. It's the bedrock that supports our emotional resilience, mental health, and overall well-being. Self-love is not about being narcissistic or self-centered. It's about acknowledging our worth, accepting our flaws, and constantly striving to become the best version of ourselves. It's about treating ourselves with the same kindness, respect, and compassion that we would offer to a dear friend. Now you may ask, how do I cultivate self-love? It's a journey, not a destination. Start by acknowledging your worth. Remember, you're unique and there's no one else in this world exactly like you. Embrace your individuality. Next, practice self-compassion. No one is perfect. We all make mistakes, and that's how we learn and grow. When you stumble, be kind to yourself. Instead of berating yourself for your mistakes, see them as opportunities to learn and grow. Moving on, set healthy boundaries. It's okay to say no when something doesn't align with your values or drains your energy. Protecting your mental, emotional, and physical well-being is not selfish. It's self-care. Moreover, spend some time alone. Solitude helps us reconnect with ourselves, understand our emotions, and reflect on our thoughts. It's during these quiet moments that we learn to appreciate our own company and discover our true selves. Finally, practice gratitude. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may be. Be thankful for your strengths and the lessons you learn from your weaknesses. Gratitude nurtures positivity and fosters self-love. In summary, self-love is the foundation of our well-being. It's about acknowledging our worth, practicing self-compassion, setting healthy boundaries, spending time alone, and practicing gratitude. Remember, the journey to self-love is a continuous process of learning, growing, and becoming the best version of ourselves. So, the next time life shakes you up, remember this: you are a magnificent structure capable of withstanding the strongest storms. Rebuild yourself with love, for you are the architect of your own happiness. As the saying goes, love yourself first, and everything else falls into line.